In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to change size of keyboard on Gboard. Before we proceed, let me tell you that Gboard removes keyboard height settings for resize. Now, if you want to change the size of keyboard on Gboard, then you can do this one. Open the Settings app, then go to Additional Settings. Next, tap Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and then tap on the Gboard option. It will open your keyboard settings. Simply tap the Preferences option to open it. Now, look for the Layout option and then select whether you want a right-handed mode or left-handed mode. For now, let's select right-handed mode. After that, open an app or anything that can make your keyboard pop up. Once your keyboard is open, then click the resize icon on the lower left corner. Now, adjust the keyboard to your liking. Once you're done adjusting your keyboard, then tap the check button to save the changes. That's basically how you can change the size of your keyboard.